Hi guys, I'm Farzai from Farzai Fitness, and if you may not know, 4 days ago I've decided to do 100 sit-ups every day for the next 30 days. I will be showing you what I eat, how I cook, and the exercise that I do. I want you to join my journey. Let's get into it. How is that? What are you doing now?
Just chop pork, but I take out fat. You see, not full fat. You not want that. Just bin that. Just make sure you cut all fat out.
How to peel garlic Thai style.
Oh what? Oi. Like that.
Luckily I got the best mum that can help me cook and stay clean and healthy. First put in your garlic, a little touch of olive oil.
Wait little bit. When garlic go golden brown, yeah. I don't know what it will be.
Add a little bit of pepper in, black pepper or white pepper, a little bit of salt.
So yeah. Pork flavor.
Thai food, you can get this, all these ingredients from any like Chinese supermarkets.
Yes. Put little bit because I do pork. I put pork flavor. We have two different vegetables. Yeah. This one you put third because hard, little bit hard to cook.
So you put your broccoli, your carrots and your cabbage in first because it's harder to cook, unlike the spring onions over there and the chilli, which take literally like a minute or two to cook, and you don't want to cook them for too long because they go all soft and soggy.
Yeah, right, you're right. What that look like?
Looks amazing. Not as good as mine though, but you know.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Want to make sure you cook it on a high heat as well.
Yeah. Because make more flavor come out, nah? It's okay.
Why do you add some water in?
Because I not want make this too go too dry.
Okay. Yeah, add a little bit of water in your food that you're cooking so all the veg stay nice and moist and not really dried up.
But most people they put oils. I not like put oils. Put water there.
Yeah, you can do this with oil or water, it's up to you, but the more oil you put in, the more fatty it will be. What we're trying to do is just keep it clean and lean. Don't use all the oil and all the fat. Unnecessary. How is that?
Nice. Right?
Yeah, nice that.
See, I know how to cook.
Still not as good as mine though.
You see, you not have to put sugar because all vegetables get already sweet, yeah, like carrot sweet already, everything sweet, and then that's where you get sweet from vegetable.
And how long do you cook all the vegetables for before you add your chili in and your spring onions?
I don't know how long, but have eyes, you look. When you sing,
Roughly around so people know.
I think
5-10 minutes? 10 minutes?
yeah, between
5 and 10 minutes?
something like that. Because you have to make sure this.
If you got a gas cooker, then it'll be faster, but if you got an electrical cooker, then it will take.
Because I think this cook already. I not want my carrot go too soft. I want my carrot go crunchy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I put this.
Now add your spring onions and your chili once the food nearly is done.
Yeah. Just make like this. And wait about another 3 minutes and then done. It's ready. Okay. It's ready.
So shortly you'll be seeing a video of my day 4. You'll be seeing the exercise that I do, what I eat, how I cook. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So today is my day 4 of the challenge for the 100 sit-ups a day for the next 30 days. Let's get into it. I lost count.
Now you get 1 pack, 2 pack, 3 pack, 4 pack, 5 pack, 6 pack,
One-
but stays.
1 pack, 2
Yeah.
pack, 3 pack, 4 pack, 5 pack, 6 pack, 7 pack, 8 pack. Done. A bit of egg, scrambled egg, mayonnaise, brown bread. Done. Put your chili in first. Broccoli, cabbage, and you got your spring onion. Onion.
Onion.
Onion.
Onion นั่นแหละ but this ผัดขี้เมา should be spicy chili but I make this stuff for myself.
Make sure it's nice and spicy because Pad Ki Mao is a Thai cuisine, so you want it to be nice and spicy just for this dish. You want to sweat off your vegetables as well
Yeah.
for like how long?
I think 7 minutes enough.
7 minutes? 10 minutes? What's that you're using?
I use mushroom sauce.
Mushroom sauce. This one is the chicken flavour. There's 2 different flavours. This one is for like when you're cooking pork. This one's when you're cooking chicken.
Yeah. Easy, this easy.
Sprinkle a little bit on top.
It's high heat and then when you see your flexible start for cook, yeah?
Yeah.
And then you go low heat, yeah? You not want this burning.
Okay.
And then now you put spaghetti.
Should make a channel for you called Thai mum cooking.
Not need. I just make sure you get good food. When some people not like from chicken stick, you can put
Chicken
seafood.
thigh.
You can put chicken breast, or what you like. You can put in.
Yeah.
But today I do this.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
You can put beef in, you can put pork, you can put prawns, up to you. That look nice. Tomorrow, I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna cook some nice food tomorrow. I want you to tell me how it tastes.
but this one little bit spicy come up. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I can already feel the chili hitting my throat.
Okay.
Hmm.
That's done. And then I let you try.
That's done.
Moment. Okay, I let you try.
We can use spaghetti noodles for this.
I think that's why we call spaghetti. when food too spicy, not get tasty or spicy, but this is get tasty and
It's just right.
And just right.
Yeah. I just want to say thank you guys so much for showing me support. I really appreciate that. If you have any comments or anything that you want to know, just comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as fast as I can. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and make sure you subscribe for more content. Make sure you click the bell button so you don't miss the video. Thank you guys and have a good day.